Pool noodles? Going swimming?
That's actually pipe insulation for a water heater. Heaters are insulated, but the pipes usually are not, so lots of energy is lost.
Right. For this one, you'll need the insulation from your school energy kit and a way to fasten it in place. Duct tape, clamps, or even zip ties work great for this.
First, find the pipe carrying hot water out of the heater. You'll also see pipes carrying cold water in and overflow pipes. Some heaters have a gas line and recirculating pipes as well. Insulating these won't help anything. If you get stumped, check the heater's model online. Most will have a chart showing which pipes are which.
Measure to make sure the insulation starts at least 6 inches from the flue. If your water heater is electric, there won't be a flue, so no worries there.
Place the insulation over the pipe with the seam facing down in any horizontal section.
If your pipes have elbows, cut the insulation at a 45-degree angle so the corners get covered too.
Use as much of the insulation as you can, but if less than 3 feet of the pipe is accessible, you'll need to measure the pipe and cut the insulation to fit with a utility knife or some scissors.
You will want to fasten the insulation 6 inches from each end of the pipe, and once or twice in the middle as well.
The goal here is just to get nice and snug, like a big warm insulation hug.